Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Canadian Yorker. So today we are doing another cooking video. It's been a long time since we did a cooking video. The last time we did one was way back in June. Is that right?
I don't remember, I think it was earlier than that.
Way back in July. That's when it was, sometime around then. And you guys can check out that video in our playlist. So for today, Farzana is making some Dhal Puri right now. So basically, Dhal Puri is roti. It's what we have right here. It's basically roti. They have flour. We have our ingredients. We have flour, we have oil, and we have the dough. Basically, she made the dough, and she took the dal that she boiled right here, and this is basically chickpeas, what we call chickpeas in America. She took these, she boiled them, and you can see that it's all boiled right here. We boiled them, strained them, and then afterwards, this is what it looks like when it's strained. And right now, Farzana is making the roti using the making Dhal Puri using that. So as you can see the process, she's taking this, rolling it, flattening it. Can you further explain the process?
Okay, you just pinch the dough to the size that you want. You coat it with flour and oil, which will prevent it from sticking to the dough, and then you stuff it with the peas. I just average how much I think I want.
Puts it in there, and last but not least,
you just pinch it close so it can seal and not fall out.
Yes. So as you can see, that's what we are doing right now, and that is how you make. This is how you make Dhal Puri, roti actually. All right.
We still gotta put it on the stove, but not right now because I'm gonna have it sit for a little bit first.
Yeah, we're gonna come back and we're definitely gonna show you guys how it's all made. Once right now we're making the roti. We're putting the things together, and basically that is what we're doing, and then we're going to show you guys how, basically going to fry it and all that stuff. Alright guys, so we are back, and we are already, Farzana is already cooking already, so now we're making that roti. So as you can see here, as in the last video, it's just a very simple process. You take the roti, you put it on the pan, and then you put oil on top. And then after this is done, as you can see, the roti will rise. Okay? You should see it rising because of the pan. And then once you're done with it, the next step is to, this is what it looks like. This is the after process right here. It's kind of hot for me to touch it. And so this is what it looks like. Alright. Let me help you flip that. So we're going to flip it, put more oil on top. And there it is. And as you can see it in the inside, if you take a look and get more detail, you can see that it is rising, and there's even some parts where it's starting to pop open. So yeah. So this is how you make Dhal Puri. Dhal Puri, correct?
Yes, Gabrielle.
Dhal Puri, yes. very, very simple. I've always wondered how they make it. Every time you go to an Indian store, an Indian restaurant, I wonder how do they make dal puri. Now we know how they make it. It's very, very fascinating. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So please like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode. Okay, bye-bye.